In Karmei Katif, a community west of Amatzia, in the south-central Israel, is a large complex of oil press installations, one of the largest in Israel. Inside, 3 rock-hewn caves that are cut into the soft nari stone are 3 crushing basins and 9 pressing installations. These industrial oil presses are from the Hasmonean period. The first cave on the south side, marked as Hall C, was accessed by 15 steps. They led to a corridor with cut marks and cisterns on both sides and at the end. The eastern hall, Hall B, has a crushing basin and 3 oil presses. The main hall, Hall A, has 2 crushing basins and 4 oil presses. The ancient process includes these steps. Step A, crushing, the mill. The crushing systems had basins and crushing stones. Olives are placed in a large circular stone, the crushing basin. A heavy millstone attached to a vertical wooden axis by a horizontal wooden beam is rotated, often by a donkey, to crush the olives into a pulp, releasing oil and water. Floor channels drain the excess liquid into storage containers. The second step is pressing, the press. The oil presses use beam and weight system. Olive paste is loaded into woven baskets like rope and fiber mats. These baskets are stacked on a round pressing bed. A large wooden beam anchored in a wall niche passed between pillars. It had 3 stone weights suspended from its end. Their weight lowered the beam, pressing down on the baskets that were placed on a round pressing platform, extracting the liquid. Step C, collection and separation. The extracted liquid, containing oil and water, flowed into a side collection vat embedded in the floor. Because the oil is lighter than water, it naturally floats to the top and is skimmed off, creating high-quality first press oil. The skimmed off oil will then be poured into jars, stored, and then shipped. זה משהו, מתקן יפה, אה?
משהו.
זה אחד הגדולים.
כאילו soft material that's very easy to carve into.
Yes.
And you can do whatever you want.
Wow. Amazing. There's another oil press here.
Just imagine there were like 100 people working here together.
Yeah.
Bringing the olives, pressing them, taking the overdue,
Wow.
residue. Every thing like this were probably 20 people.
Working in parallel.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Busy. Because it's a season, you know, it's probably 1 month season.
a short season,
Short season of 1 month.
and they have to do it at a certain time. For more information, media, and details on this site and other Holy Land locations, please visit BibleWalks.com.